Hi there, this is Miss Vero. Welcome to a lesson about textual ellipses. We use textual ellipses or leave out words when the meaning of a text is obvious without these words. When to use an ellipsis? Some of the most common examples are repeated subjects, predicates, or verbs in sentences or in responses to questions. More about textual ellipses. They are grammatical devices for avoiding repetition and achieving textual cohesion. We use them in speech or in writing. We use them as substitution, the replacement of an identical item by a substitute. Ellipses are just the omission of the item or replacement of the item by a zero substitute. This just meaning leaving out. Now try to find yourself in the next examples which parts are being omitted or using replacements. How will the new flood warning app will work? I don't know how it will work. All helps improve the accuracy of predictions, and all helps improve the speed of the predictions. Which sections are we going to omit? Observe. All helps improve the accuracy and the speed of predictions. More examples. Deep sea monitors help warn people about imminent tsunamis, but deep sea monitors can't stop them. Are you thinking on the section we can omit? Deep sea monitors help warn people about imminent tsunamis, but can't stop them. Did you get it? I think so. Some key considerations of textual ellipses. Comprehension of ellipses and substitution is the biggest problem for learners. They may be confused when words are left out or when short grammatical words like one or do are used. Now, to make a summary of all of this lesson. Ellipses are just for omitting infinitives or WH clauses. But also they help us for omitting verbs. Now that's it. Give it a try, and thank you everybody for watching my video until the end.